Math Battle Tic-Tac-Toe. To start the game, you're going to click the checkbox that says Start, wait for the hyperlink to appear, hover over it, and click the link. That's how Google hyperlinks work. This will take you to the questions. Now this is a race. It's not a turn-based game, so you simply want to answer 2 questions associated with each square to make your X. So -6 times -3, these are just example questions for illustration purposes. You would likely have a different copy. The computer will wait, in this version, 30 seconds after each move that you make or between its moves before it makes a move. You can scroll to the right to select which square you want to play on, or you can click the square and follow a hyperlink to it as a faster way. If you get a question incorrect, it turns red, and you can just retry until you get it correct. So if I wait 30 seconds, the computer will take a square ahead of me, and it refreshes its page every 60 seconds or when it detects a change in the spreadsheet, the way Google Sheets work. So that move had already happened, but it didn't appear until I made a modification on the spreadsheet. So it has blocked me. That's okay. I'm going to outsmart it, hopefully. So we will make a move. Still have a fresh 30 seconds here. Scroll to the right a little if it didn't show up completely. So 9 minus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 10 is 11. I win. If we go home using either the home button here or the tabs below, you can see it tracks your wins and it tracks the number of questions you've answered correctly. You could choose to continue playing even after the game is ended, or ignore the game aspect altogether and simply use this as a way to review your math, and it will still track how many correct answers you have. You can see on the square where the computer plays, it lets you know that it has been taken so that you don't waste time on a square that won't contribute to the game. But you can still answer those questions as well toward your completed question count. To start a fresh game, you're going to click this reset button, and on your first time clicking it, click it once and wait. And you can see it says running script. It needs to verify or authorize the script to run on your Google Drive the first time. So it'll ask you, do you want to authorize this script to run? Because it's going to clear the answers and create new questions, it needs you to select your Google Drive account, scroll down and press allow to allow it to modify this sheet. And once it is successful, you can click reset again, and this time the script will run. And from here onward, you don't need to authorize it every time it will run. So it checks the current game stats and records them, clears your answers, and then creates new questions and resets the board. It doesn't lose track of how many you've answered correctly. You can see that is kept intact there and continues to accumulate. To start a new game, you simply click the checkbox again and go to your game. And you can see the questions have changed. So you can use this for infinite math practice. Enjoy beating the bot.